A plea was filed in the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court seeking the directions to the Archaeological Survey of India to probe the 22 closed doors in the Taj Mahal to ascertain the presence of the idols of Hindu deities. The plea sought the constitution of a fact-finding committee and the submission of a report by the Archaeological Survey of India. It has been said in the petition that the idols of the Hindu deities are locked up behind closed doors. The plea also cited the claims by some historians and some Hindu groups about the monument being an old Shiv temple. It is respectfully submitted that there are certain rooms situated in upper and lower portions of four-storied building which is permanently locked, and many historians like P. N. Oak and crores of Hindu worshippers strongly believe that in those locked rooms temples of Lord Shiva is present. Citing an RTI file to the ASI regarding the reason behind the doors closed in the Taj Mahal, the plea stated, in the reply by the Department of the Archaeological Survey of India, Agra, it was said that due to security reasons, those doors are locked.